everyone, welcome. If you are new here, my name is Addie. If you are a returning viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It'll help me out so much. But welcome, you guys. So today is my last, well, not even my last, because it's more like my first Sunday before I go back to work. So I'm gonna do sort of like a reset. I have some stuff I need to get ready for work. I need to reorganize my closet because the way it's sitting right now is I have like a lot of cozy, comfortable, chill clothes that I can see first, and then all like my dress up clothes, the ones that I do have for like work, are just kind of hidden. So I want to restructure my closet just so that my work clothes are a little more accessible, and I just kind of want to prep for the week because I have not worked in like 3 months. So this week's gonna just have such a new routine for me, and I kind of just want to be as ready as possible as I can for it. But I'm really excited. I'll show you guys this week a little bit of like my routine and stuff. Maybe I'll do like some reels or TikToks, but today I am just gonna prep. I do want to touch up my hair because I do have some grays coming in already, and then I want to wax my stash. But I think I'm gonna do that more towards the end of the night because right now if I would have dyed my hair, I would have had to like sit here and wait and wash it, and I kind of just want to get going with my day. So let's go wash some corporate shoes that I have that just need a quick rinse. They're white and I just want to get them a little bit cleaner, and then I'll probably just hop right into my closet just to start like reorganizing that. So let's get our day started. So I just fed the girlies. Blanca devoured her food. She always does, but I'm trying to teach them how to just be able to eat their food together. Hey, no, you're done. You're done. You can go into Wolfie's food, but I'm trying to teach them how to like not fight over their food or even to growl at each other because I will not accept that. I want them to just really like be able to eat together and eat calmly because they eat so freaking fast too. Hey, no, you're done. I feel like Blanca has a harder time, you know, because we rescued her, so I don't really know what background she comes from, but I feel like she just thinks she's never gonna get fed again. So she always fights. Well, doesn't fight, but she like will finish her food and then go to Wolfie's bowl and see if she still has some. But she'll get better with time. How Blankies? Wolfie. And then now I just feel like Wolfie devoured her food because she saw Blanca trying to get it. You girls need to learn how to eat slow, mamas. If you guys have any tips, let me know. So these are my corporate shoes I was talking about. They're not really that dirty, but the soles are pretty black, and honestly I don't think I've ever washed them. I took them to Holland. I was wearing these at Holland when I would go into office, and they're just like some slick white shoes. So I'm gonna wash them to be ready for the week. Look how clean my shoes came out. Sparkly white. Just got done washing my shoes. It felt like forever, even though it was just one pair. I'm probably gonna spend some time brainstorming how I wanna reorganize the closet because I think I wanna move some of Danny's stuff around, but I wanna move everything in a way that makes sense. I don't wanna just throw everything. So I'm gonna go stare at my closet, see what I come up with, and then we'll get started on reorganizing my closet. But I want to show you guys my plants first. They've been thriving since we moved here. So some of them I got at IKEA, some at Lowe's, and they've just been thriving since I brought them into the apartment. And I just want to show you guys because they look so beautiful. So this one is actually Danny's. I gave it to him. I don't remember for what occasion, but I gave it to him, and she's been doing really good. She likes it here. There is a cactus plant. I got this one at IKEA, and she's quiet. Like, she just doesn't really do anything. She's just kind of there. This one I got at Lowe's, and when I got her, she wasn't like as kind of like spongy as she is right now, but she's been getting so many new leaves, and it makes my soul just so happy to see all the new leaves coming in. This one's been thriving so hard. Look, she's just from everywhere. So this is what, like, we still need to add some flowers there, but this is what this shelf looks like with the plants. I think it looks so cute. And then on the other side, this is another one that I brought back from home. She's thriving too. She like stopped growing for a little bit, You can tell she's like missing leaves here, but she stopped growing for a little bit, but she's back at it again. She's giving me another little leaf here soon. And then this one I got at Lowe's, and she's also just doing so freaking good. And honestly, it's been giving a lot of new little leaves here and there. So the ones that you see that are like untwirling, that look kind of like they haven't been flat for a while, are the new ones. And so this is what this shelf looks like. One shelf doesn't have anything, but we'll get to it. Probably add another plant. The girls' toys, which are just everywhere. And then in here, we have pictures. I've been telling the roomies that like when people come or we want to take Polaroids, we should take them and put them in here for memories. This is when we went to Puerto Peñasco a couple weeks ago. And then this is just one of the girls in February. Okay, so I think I have my closet situation figured out. I think I know how I'm gonna organize it, so I will show you guys. But I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make some food, and then I'm walking over to our clubhouse to get some coffee because they have some cold brew there and it's bomb. So I walk over and get it here, and then I finish making my coffee at home, which is clutch because I save some money. This is the one that I get, but it's out. So I'm gonna just go get some over here. Some basic for lunch, eggies, beans and rice from yesterday. Eggies are done. If you guys haven't noticed, I love eggs, like a lot. I can eat them every day. Came to walk the girlies. Oh, girlie's peeing. Come on, girlie. Okay, this is our closet. I'm gonna do 0.5. Here I'm 0.5 so you guys can see a little bit better, but this is what it looks like. Essentially, that's my half, Danny's half, and then I have this section down here, suitcases, and then he has some stuff up there, and then I have stuff up here, more of his stuff, his shirts, or just more stuff. We got bins, and then shoes. But I really want to just organize this in a more, I don't know, efficient way. Okay, yeah, you guys, I think I'm finally done, at least with hanging the clothes. I think it's structured better than what it previously was. I do need help with the top racks. I just need Danny to help me bring everything down and kind of help me figure out how we're gonna organize, because it's just random stuff. But the clothes section, I think it's done, and I think it looks better than what we had it previously, and now it's more just like, I don't know, set nicely. This is what it looks like now. Okay, so you come in. This top section was where I had all like my jackets. I'm not gonna record the top because it's still ugly, but I moved Danny's like shirts and crew necks, and they're more of the Nike stuff since he needs to just grab them easily when he's on his way out. So this is where I put most of that stuff, some shorts that I hung, and then on this side is like jerseys, sweaters. And then I took down the heavy coats and I brought them down here. So our heavy coats are like right there. And then I brought my sweaters, crew necks. And then I just moved how the luggage was sitting. And then I put the shoe rack up there with some of the shoes. Moved his little cart thing to this side. And then this is my side. So I have all like my dresses, my tube tops, my one pieces, my one piece tank tops, shirts, long sleeves, knitted sweaters, and then more sweaters. And then I color coded pretty much everything. I went from light to dark, light to dark, light to dark on each section. And then this is what the bottom looks like, shoes, my card thing. And yeah, so it actually looks like just more organized in a way. Once Danny gets here, I'm gonna have him bring that down, just miscellaneous stuff, and then bring all that down so I can maybe move the shoes over there and just reorganize. So yeah. Okay, something I want to share with you guys, if you're looking for these type of hangers, go to Walmart. They have such a better deal than Target. I got like a 30 pack for, I think it was $10 at Walmart of these, and they honestly feel the same as the Target ones. And then for the Target ones, I think I paid like, I don't know, $10-15 for a 10 pack. It was crazy. So I definitely recommend getting these. Go get them at Walmart. Like a B-dubs in here. Okay, so we got home from dinner and I took a little nap, but it's getting really late and I regret not doing this in the morning because now I'm like just wanting to go to sleep. But I prepped my hair. I basically just pulled like 2 chunks from here, because I'm going to touch up right here my line where I part my hair, and then these like strips so that, I don't know, they're just very bold. And then obviously around here I prep my hair dye with my Rusk material, and then I went ahead and heated up my wax as well for my face, but I'll probably have to end up reheating it. It's from this brand, Waxy. I'll show you guys the little cup right now when I go reheat it of the product. Area because it's really where my grays come out, especially like right here. I do still have some leftover paint, so I'm gonna keep it just in case I see some areas that are still gray as I'm waxing. My wax did dry out, so let me go reheat it and then I will be right back. Okay, this is the brand I was talking about. I have the Cosmic Candy Hard Wax Beads. Okay, so my areas of waxing are going to be right here where my stash is. And then, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have a bit of peach fuzz. I haven't been facial in a while. And then it's like I have a lot of hair going down. I'm going to try to take like this area kind of off. Let's see how we do. Waxing is complete. You guys can tell by the redness like where I waxed. So it's like mainly this. I didn't go into every single section, just like what I wanted to go into, because then all of this would have been red. But I think my hair is also ready. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower and I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, I am out of the shower. My hair is no longer gray. I got a little bit of dye on my like skin that I couldn't take off, but my grays are gone. I do love retouching up my hair. I just feel like it makes it look so bold once it's touched up because the grays are gone. So I'm excited to not have to touch it up for another couple weeks. All right, friends, well, I am gonna call it a night. I am very, very tired. I have a long week ahead of me. I will see you guys hopefully on the next vlog.